Hi, I'm Tony James. My channel is Hillquest Dual Sport, and today in the mail I received my seat concept seat from GP Bikes, and I'm going to unbox it. Then I'm going to compare the difference between the OEM and the seat concept seat on my KTM exc-f 350. All right, first things first, open the box and we will take it out. It is certainly packaged really well. Take this off. Nothing in here. Just unroll it. Oh. Some stickers. Holy, packaged very well. All right, there it is. I ordered the low profile with the orange stitching that matches the orange on my bike. And right off the hop, I like the way it looks. I like the fabric, kind of grippy, and it's actually really light. So next I'm going to show the OEM seat and the height from the floor, and then I'll put on the seat concept seat and take a measure of that and see the difference. The purpose of this seat for me was to get some more clearance for my legs, get me a little closer to the ground. All right, so this is my 2015 KTM exc-f 350, and the spec sheet says that the OEM seat height is 37.8 inches. So I'm just using this scraper here as a reference point. So I'm going to measure this out just behind the foot peg, and this measures to be 38 3/4. I have my bike on a stand right now, lifting it up about an inch to give it some stability. So OEM seat height is 38 3/4. So what I'm going to do now is swap out the OEM seat for the seat concept seat, and I will take another measurement. All right, so I've got the seat concept seat on there. Actually, it fit in really good and really easy. So I'm just going to take another measurement here, and we'll see where that's at. Just behind the foot peg, it measures to 38 and less than a quarter, about 1/8 of an inch. So 38 3/4 to 38 and an inch, so it gives me about 3/4 of an inch less height, which doesn't really amount to a whole lot. Hopefully, as I work the seat in a little bit, it'll compress, which will give me a little bit more distance to the ground, a little less distance to the ground. So it's November now, so I've got 6 months of winter, snow and cold before the next riding season. I'll let you know how that works out. Until then.